Hey everybody, Matt Yankovic, Hoss, Head of Open Source Strategy here at Percona. And the Hoss has a boss, and his name's Peter. And Peter wants us to make this the year of the community and the year of open source. And we're going to start doing that right now. And how we do that is bringing you the best content, the best speakers, the best everything out there. And you see the hat. You know what the hat means to most people? It means it's Percona Live time. And yes, the boss himself came to the Hoss and said, let's get the best speakers we can. And this year is going to be awesome. Okay, so May 13th, or 12th and 13th, we're going to hold this virtual conference anywhere in the world. Topics include open source databases, open source technologies. We want to hear about Kubernetes. We want to hear about MySQL, MariaDB, Postgres, MongoDB, Cassandra, Elastic. Oh, that's not really open source anymore, but we'll still listen to it. Let's get the best topics out there. So the CFP is open right now. You can go to cfp.percona.com or perconalive.com to learn more information. Submit. You have until February 28th to send us your ideas. If you need some help, if you want some help polishing up that abstract, talking to someone about some ideas, feel free to reach out to us. I'd love to talk to you about them. Thanks a bunch. Look forward to seeing you at Percona Live this year.